a quick test drive. Truck drives really smooth so far, shifts nice. Steering wheel straight, it's a little loose I would say, but overall drives really good. Power steering feels good. Brakes feel good. This truck drives really nice. I don't hear a bunch of creaks and stuff. While you're gonna have some, it's very minimal for the age. This thing is really, really nice. Okay, let's do a quick visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, cosmetic imperfections like that. So starting with the front right wheel, got the US mags. I don't see any curb rash, so overall that wheel looks amazing. This pinstripe is a vinyl of some sort, and you can see it is chipping away on little spots. So I imagine that could be removed and redone. You're gonna have some little scuffs. Little chip there. Got a chip here with a little scratch. Got a gash right here and there, and those have been touched up. A few little chips. Got a little chip there. You can see some bug splatter here that's kind of etched into the paint on that side mirror. Looking at this door, the pinstriping looks really good there. Very minor wear, a little chip here. Just a couple every once in a while. I see a scratch here that's been touched up. And then some sort of wear mark. It did scuff up the paint. That door looks good. The emblem has some wear on it. These back windows work great. Got a scratch there. A couple scratches here. You can see some of this is flaking off. Got a couple scratches right there. That wheel looks good. So honestly, it's just little scuffs and scratches. Besides that, this thing looks amazing and the paint is really, really nice. And then looking at this front end looks awesome. These headlights are nice and clear. Now we do have some rock chips every once in a while here on the edge of the hood. A couple more there. This upper side looks amazing though. Couple little chips here and there. Overall, this bumper looks good. That lower valence is really clean. I'm not seeing any damage, like big gashes or anything. It's really just those small little rock chips here and there. So that front end looks really, really nice. Then looking at the back left here, some of this is kind of chipping away on that pinstripe. Got a little scratch right there. Overall, the rest of that bedside looks amazing. That wheel looks good. Got the really nice tonneau cover here. The brand is Tonneau Pro. Back glass looks good. These windows work perfect. All of that looks really nice. I mean, this truck is super clean. You're gonna have little scuffs every once in a while, but being silver, it's really hard to see them, and we're in really bright, perfect lighting. Bugs have etched on here. Got a gash there, a couple scuffs. That wheel looks good. This thing is just super clean. You're gonna have some wear right here. I imagine it had those little rain visors at some point, and maybe it kind of marred the paint a little. Then looking at the back here, we do have a backup camera. I see some little scuffs every once in a while. Got some scratches in this area. Taillight looks good. Overall, this back bumper looks really nice. Now looking at the engine bay, looks really good. And then when we look at the liner, it is pretty wore out. A lot of spots here have peeled off. So replacing that, and this would look really, really good. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker. That door panel looks good. You have a little bit of wear on those buttons. All of this is clean. That carpet looks good. Kick plate area looks nice. We do have a rip right there in the seat. Overall, that bolster looks good though, and the rest of the seat looks perfect. Very clean. Got a steering wheel cover on it. I'm not quite sure what the steering wheel looks like underneath. I imagine it's pretty nice. We do have a large crack here on this trim piece, and it makes its way around to the other side. There's a little crack there. So this little trim, if you replaced it, then really this interior would be almost perfect. 127,000 miles. Got the Kenwood. Looks like a little crack right there. One there. Otherwise, this interior looks amazing. Looking at this side, that door panel looks really good. All of this cloth is clean. Got some GM mats. Overall, the carpet looks nice. These seats are super soft. I'm not really seeing any imperfections on this seat. Side looks amazing. The dash looks good. All of this stuff works perfect. I see a crack right here and a crack on that top side. Upper side of that dash looks good. Got some scratches on the console. All of this works good though. Then you got the overhead console here. Couple little imperfections here and there, but otherwise this side looks really good. And making our way to the back. That seat looks good. Seat back is nice and clean. That door panel looks good. Those work perfect. I mean, this side is really nice. The only flaw is really that little vent there, and that's an easy fix.